How to change address on TikTok. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Once you are on this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Go to your feed and open any of your video. Now tap on the three dots on the right side of the screen. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on Edit Post. Here you can edit the address of this video. Go to the Already Added Address and tap on the cross button beside to remove it. Then tap on Location as shown. Now choose a location from here to add to your video. Then tap on Save at the bottom. You have now successfully added this address to the video. Now go back to your profile and open this video. You can see the address below. Following these steps, you can easily change address on TikTok.